Hi friends, welcome back. Question is, in a series resonance circuit consisting of RLC, if L0 is the value of L at resonance, LA is the value of L at the lower of frequency FA, LB is the value of L at the upper half frequency FB, Q0 is the quality factor at resonance, then the value of L0 by LB minus LA is. So simple, at below resonance frequency X value of L is LA, XLA minus XC is minus R, because circuit is capacitive at below resonance frequency, and at above resonance frequency X value of L is LB, so XLB minus XC is R. Solve these two equations. So XLB minus XLA is equal to 2R, means LB minus LA is equal to 2R. So LB minus LA is 2R by omega. Okay, so we have to find L0 by LB minus LA. So it is L0 upon 2R by omega. Omega ऊपर जाएगा. So this value omega L0 by R, it is what? Quality factor Q0 by 2. So the value is Q0 by 2. So answer is Q0 by 2. Thank you.